What if I told you that this little machine, running silently in the corner of a room, could generate a full-time income while you sleep? In 2026, the 3D printing market is exploding, but the people making the real money aren't engineers or expert designers. They are ordinary people leveraging artificial intelligence to do 90% of the work. Today, I'm giving you the exact 3-step blueprint to launch a profitable 3D printing business from scratch using free AI tools. No design experience needed. Let's get into it. Step 1 is finding what to sell. Most beginners fail because they print generic items like phone cases. Instead, we use AI to find the golden niche. Products with high demand, but low competition. You can prompt ChatGPT or Claude with this exact line. Act as an e-commerce expert. List 10 high-margin, functional 3D printed products for the US market in the toy or organization niche that solve a specific problem. Within seconds, the AI will analyze current trends and give you ideas like modular toy train tracks, mechanical desk organizers, or custom camera gear mounts. Look for items that cost 50 cents in plastic but sell for $25. Step 2. How do you actually get the design if you don't know anything about 3D modeling? Here's the secret. You don't have to design anything. Platforms like Thingiverse and Printables have millions of free open source files ready to download. But here's where AI gives you the edge. Modern 3D printers use advanced AI slicing software. It automatically analyzes the model, fixes any structural errors, and optimizes the print speed and material usage. You just download the file, drop it into the software, and let the AI ensure a flawless physical print every single time. Step 3 is getting paid. You don't need a physical shop. You open a free store on Etsy or Shopify. Then you head back to your AI assistant to write your entire business asset. Ask it to write a high-converting SEO product description that ranks on Google. To get customers for free, use AI to write short-form video scripts for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Record your printer working, overlay the AI-generated script with a viral sound, and watch the organic traffic roll in. When an order comes in, you press print, pack it, and ship it. The combination of digital AI and physical manufacturing is the ultimate cheat code in 2026. The barrier to entry has never been this low. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video to jumpstart your business, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AI Business Edge, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next wealth building tool. Start printing, start scaling, and I'll see you in the next video.